This is a brief introduction to the new IMAPP onboarding assistant. When new users log in for the first time, this on-screen interface highlights and shows users the core features of the main interface, as well as the primary aspects of each page. The main feature menu on the left and top of the screen may require some attention, but the core of most pages are similar to previous versions. Move at your own speed by pressing Next or Back. The black X closes the window. Now we are walked through the searching interface, which databases to search in, how to add search fields and enter and adjust your criteria, and then where to look to add map regions. This is just an introduction, which users can do on their own. All of the features will be explained on each page. Let's quickly move on to a property report.
The onboarding assistant continues to point out new features on this report and any other IMAPP page, the first time you view each page type. The onboarding assistant normally runs only once for each page type, but this can be reset in the settings. Tap Reset Onboarding Progress to restart. When you load a page again, the onboarding assistant process will appear again. We encourage all users to go through these steps thoroughly.